Hey everyone, welcome back to Core Auto. Today, we're checking out a Honda CR-V that's not just your typical SUV, this one comes fully loaded in pure luxury. From the stance to the finish, this CR-V sets a whole new standard. Let's start with the basics, price and specs. This CR-V comes in a glossy pearl white, fully modified luxury build, featuring a wide body kit, chrome diamond grille, slim LED headlights, and a lowered stance. While the base CR-V starts at around, insert price, this fully upgraded luxury build is definitely a premium ride, and every dollar is worth it. Under the hood, the hybrid engine delivers smooth and responsive performance, while handling feels refined, just like a true luxury SUV. The exterior design is clean, not aggressive, but classy and upscale. This is more than just a CR-V, it's a luxury SUV experience. Now let's move on to the cinematic shots. We're compressing all angles into about 2 minutes, but every detail is highlighted beautifully. The front fascia immediately gives off a premium vibe. Chrome grille and slim LED headlights glow softly in daylight. The sculpted hood and luxury bumper keep the design refined, not over the top. The pearl white paint really pops under the sun, giving it a rich, glossy look. From the side, the body lines are smooth and flowing. The lowered stance and large alloy wheels give the CR-V a grounded, premium presence. Chrome window trims and the panoramic roof add an extra touch of elegance. The rear is clean and sophisticated. Sleek LED tail lights, subtle chrome accents, and the roof spoiler complete the elegant rear stance. Inside, it's pure luxury. Dual-tone leather dashboard with stitched panels, ambient LED lighting, and a large infotainment screen. The fully digital instrument cluster and premium leather-wrapped steering will elevate the cabin. The center console with rotary gear selector and wireless charging pad is finished perfectly. This interior doesn't just feel comfortable, it gives you a truly premium driving experience. So that was the full luxury Honda CR-V build. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Core Auto, and let us know in the comments, how would you rate this CR-V? Stay tuned to Core Auto for more premium, cinematic car builds coming your way. Asterisk.